So yeah, it might be very overwhelming for you. For me, it's also overwhelming. And yeah, here's going on a lot of stuff, and the things we do here are quite complex. But soon we will see the result, and then hopefully understand everything what is going on and why we need all those variables here. And oh yeah, let's fix something quickly. So if we go into the held object here, and here we have the origin, that should be the hand underscore r bone, or left, depends on what you want to achieve. But let's go on the construction script again and introduce a new execution pin here, and we will need a new function, and the new function is called apply held object rotation, and let's say held object location and rotation. So compile, ensure this is a private function, private, and it should be in the private section as well. Compile, and what we need to implement is the following. We get the held object scene component, and we say set relative, can we use, yeah, let's use this. Move this at the top, align everything, and here we will start using our corrections array, get a reference, and we need to do a right click here, split struct pin, and connect the location. And for that we also need to get the frame index. Oh, why is it not working? Frame index, Shift A, move to the left. So, and we need to duplicate this stuff here. Duplicate. But we need to call a different function, set relative rotation. And we need to select or connect the rotation. Wait, let's move this here and remove this stuff. Yep, this can be deleted. So it should be here, Shift A, Q to align everything. So compile, save, and we should already be able to edit our pose a little bit, or the held object. So it's frame 9, and if we go on to the array, now you see why we're using this array. We should be able to place it around, hopefully. Maybe not. Why location? We can move it around, right? Yeah, but why does it not work? Let's just, no. Let me quickly check. I will get back to you when it's working. Well, you should call the function, right? Then it should work. So here, if we go into construction script and in the sequence node, we call this function here and align everything, compile, save, and now we should be able to see it moving. So move it up. Oh, it's maybe too much. So here's the pistol, right? And here you can also move it to the left and so on. So did you see it basically works already, but it's not that convenient. And yeah, we could move it around here as well. and place it already here, but we would still lose the location. That's what we need to work on in the next session. And then we can move the pistol here, save the pose, or save the location, and then apply it to all poses of ALS. So because I think if we, yeah, it will move it back to the first location. So let's continue in the next session.